got to Bali 3 years ago, and I was already working as a freelancer and digital nomad. And then I had an idea to build a space that's a little bit different to everywhere else. And when I came to Bali, I was working in different co-working spaces, but they were all very kind of like boxy and corporate and sterile. I felt like there was just something missing. And also it's a place that I wanted, so I built it for myself and hoped that the people would come. I actually rebranded recently from co-working to House of Creatives because I don't really feel like we're a co-working space. I feel we're more of a space for cool people to hang out and be with. Beluna is actually named after my niece. It's her two names combined, so she's called Betsy Luna. And I named it after her to kind of give her the encouragement to be brave and do things out of the ordinary like I did. And also just so she knows that I love her and I didn't move to Bali and abandon her. This Ubud is so fascinating. I think the nature is amazing. It feels really homey here. I like the community and people following different passions and values. And it's also a nice place to bring people together that have a bit of a different mindset, like the black sheep of the family. So I recently met up with the team from Ubudcult, and our visions really align. I feel like we have lots of ideas that resonate, and we're going to be collaborating and co-creating lots of exciting things. So watch this space because I feel like we've possibly met in a past life. So it's time to reconvene and see where this flows. We're probably not going to be offering tea ceremonies, cacao ceremonies, breath work, kirtan, as much as I love it, and I go to all of them, of course. I feel like Ubud could do with something a bit different to that. I feel like there's a lot of that going on already. And also being a space where, like a safe space where people can come in and just be themselves and share ideas that they might have been afraid to share before, and hopefully in a way to give back to Bali in some way. I really envision having lots of like events and workshops here that we can incorporate, working with locals, like the local crafts, like art classes and wood carving, for example, jewellery making, and kind of bridging the gap between the expats and the locals, and also reminding people of what Bali's about and bringing that into the space a bit more. And that obviously helps you to become more enlightened. You can make mess if you want to make mess.